West Georgia traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is 10 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing. We're going to do overfly the airport, do a right turn, drop in 235, West Georgia.
West Georgia traffic, Cessna 91 Whiskey Alpha is 10 to the south, inbound straight in, runway 35, full stop, West Georgia.
West Georgia traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is over midfield, 3,000 feet. We're going to be a right turn drop in 235. We're going to be number 2 behind the Cessna, which we have in sight, West Georgia. There's your 1.5 miles.
West Georgia traffic, Cessna 91 Whiskey Alpha, clear runway 35.
All right, fuel pump's on, landing lights are on. There we go. Nice. We'll take that. Buddy on the ADSB 5 there. West Georgia traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is taking runway 17. We're going to be departing to the north, West Georgia. All right, finals clear. All right, flaps are up. Airspeed is alive. West Georgia traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is on the go, runway 17. We're going to be departing to the north, West Georgia. Cartersville traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is 5 miles to the south of the field. We're going to be entering a left downwind for 19. Cartersville traffic.
Cartersville traffic, Cessna 739 Echo Alpha, turning final for runway 19 Cartersville. I'm going to stop and go.
Cartersville traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is clear of the runway, Cartersville.
Cartersville traffic, Conquest, hold short 19 on Cartersville.
Cartersville 9 Echo Alpha, short final 19, full stop Cartersville.
Cartersville traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is taking runway 19. We're going to be departing straight out to the south, Cartersville traffic. Nobody on final. Alright, airspeed's alive. Up on 50. Got 60. Cartersville traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima's on the go, runway 19. We're departing straight out to the south, Cartersville. Paulding County traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is entering a 45 left downwind for runway 31, Paulding County. Paulding County traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is final, runway 31, full stop, Paulding County.
Northeast, planning entry runway 31, Paulding County.
Happy to be down. Up on those brakes. So bad. Paulding County traffic, Grumman 6358 Lima is clear of the runway, Paulding County.